What keeps an outdoor space safe, attractive, and working well through the year? A landscaping maintenance checklist gives you a structured way to inspect lawns, trees, irrigation, pathways, and more. It helps turn routine observations into clear maintenance action. Well-maintained landscapes improve both appearance and functionality. They can strengthen curb appeal, create more welcoming spaces, reduce hazards, prevent pest issues, support accessible pathways, improve irrigation efficiency, and support long-term landscape health. Regular inspections can also reduce damage and extend the life of landscape features. A landscaping checklist evaluates condition, cleanliness, safety, and performance across outdoor areas. It can cover lawn and turf conditions, including bare patches, overgrowth, soil health, and fertilization needs. It also checks trees and shrubs, irrigation systems, and weed and pest control, looking at plant health, leaks, drainage, insect activity, and disease. The checklist can be organized into clear sections. These include property and inspection information, pathways and outdoor safety, waste and debris removal, seasonal maintenance, and corrective actions. Together, those sections capture details like weather conditions, cracked pathways, fallen branches, storm preparation, repair recommendations, assigned responsibilities, and follow-up tracking. These checklists are used across hospitality, healthcare, education, commercial real estate, retail, residential, industrial, and government properties. Paper-based systems often create incomplete inspections. Delayed maintenance reporting, poor visibility into conditions, lost paperwork, inconsistent maintenance schedules, limited corrective action tracking, and manual reporting errors. Those limits push many organizations toward digital inspection platforms. eAuditor helps organizations digitize landscaping inspections, automate reporting, and improve visibility across properties through mobile tools and centralized dashboards. Teams can build custom templates, record findings, add photos, flag issues, and submit reports in real time. The platform also supports corrective actions, automated reports, multi-site monitoring, evidence collection, analytics, and best practices like regular inspections, seasonal adjustment, and fast hazard response. A landscaping maintenance checklist helps you inspect outdoor conditions, organize maintenance work, and improve safety and appearance. It can guide everything from turf and irrigation checks to seasonal tasks and corrective actions. With digital tools, you also gain stronger visibility, better tracking, and more consistent maintenance across properties.